Mama? Mama, get it?
Oh, no. You're back.
Yes,
how is he?
He's fine.
He'll be going to court next week, Monday. That is 5 days from now.
Hi. It's okay. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. God will not let us down. I believe him. Oh? Hi.
Mama, Guinea?
No. No, Mama, this leg has been itching me since last night. I'm feeling hot all around here. Hey.
Okay, Mama, I'll go to that chemist shop. Okay.
Oh, name.
How is Chisimdi? Did he cry in my absence?
No. He has been sleeping since I fed him.
Okay.
Can you
go tell you?
Oh.
Nadalo.
Good afternoon, ma.
Please, I'm looking for Bruce. Is he around?
Okay, Bruce, no, ma, he's not around. He went out to buy something. Oh. But he'll be back shortly. You can stay there and wait for him.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma, look at him. He's back.
Oh, thank you. Bruce, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How may I help you?
Bruce, I'm surprised you can't recognize me.
Did you bring your car here for us to repair?
I am Izuna's wife, Izuna Okebu.
Hey! Izuna, my friend. How are you? How is your husband?
He's fine. He's the one that sent me to you.
Yes. Okay. Hope all is well.
Bruce, all is not really well. Something happened. And please, can we sit somewhere so I can tell you the full story? Yes.
Oh, yeah, now. Let me show you where to sit down.
Trouble done there too. And they put a corner. I'm an unkebo cook and a bia. Wahala done there double. And they put a corner. I'm an unkebo cook and a bia. Fighting, breaking nights women. Double wahala from their mother. Everyday trouble. Fighting, breaking nights women. Double wahala from their mother. Every day, scatter. Fighting, breaking nights women. Double wahala from their mother. Every day, war. Fighting, breaking nights women. I don't tell. Double wahala from their mothers. You don't see a chill up and I'm watching you. If I want to lay, I hit gonna go. Now, which kind of mothers in love be this you? Now, what type of daughters in love be this you? Hey, Hajiwagume. Hey, Hajiwagume. Your daughters in the give double wahala. Their mothers in the give triple wahala. Hey, Hajiwagume. Hey, Hajiwagume. Their daughters in the give double wahala.
Who took the condiment I kept here? Who took my condiment? Where is the condiment I kept here? Mama, who took my condiment? Oh? Who took my condiment? Hey? Mama, what are you looking for? Mama, the condiments I kept here, I cannot find it all.
Your condiments? Ask your mate, maybe she collected it or we borrowed or whatever.
Ujunwa.
Did I enter your kitchen? Should be Ujunwa now. Your mate,
Ujunwa.
Did I come here before you?
Ujunwa. Where's my condiment? Ujunwa. I'm asking you a question and you're there blowing fire. Where are my condiments?
Me, Ujunwa. Why should I use your condiments?
Are you asking me? Are you not the only one here? Where are the condiments? Where did you keep them?
Opening your eyes as if you didn't hear what she's saying. Where did you keep the condiment? Or better still, tell her you stole it or you borrowed it. Whichever way, we will understand.
Mama, don't accuse me of that. Tell Azuka your daughter to look for her condiments.
Ujunwa, where is my condiments? If you don't give my condiments, I'll use this plate and break your head.
Oh yeah, come and break my head. Mama, because ask your daughter to look for
condiment.
Caro!
Where
are you there?
I was there.
Why not just keep your mouth? Why would you just conclude on something you don't know?
Mama, come on, tell your thief of a daughter to bring the condiment she stole. You are very, very foolish.
I am not foolish. Can't join, I am not foolish. I am not foolish. I will do anything.
So, Gambrus, that was what happened. Now, he has been in the police custody since that time.
This is unbelievable, though. This is unbelievable. I was looking for Zun. I've been looking for him. I've not been seeing him. I even wondered if he traveled out of the country without even telling me. His friend. It's unbelievable.
On Monday now, he'll be going to court. And we don't have any money in the house at all. We don't have any money in the house. And that's why he sent me to you to ask for your financial support. Because he needs to pay the lawyer and also do other things.
Zuna, my friend. Do you know that for good 5 years, Zuna was assisting me? For good 5 years, Zuna took care of me. When Zuna was Zuna in this town. Zuna is a very good man. He's a nice person. He is too generous. Zuna assists the poor. Even the people he doesn't know, he will assist them.
I know the man I married. He has a good heart.
I'm so sorry about it. And I will do something to assist you too.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I will assist you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
He even secured this place I'm working now. He secured this land for me. He helped me in securing it. Zuna is too nice. I even asked him, what will I do to, pay my compensation? He said, no, I should use it for free. The gain, I should take it. Everything, I should take it.
Thank you.
Your husband is too nice, and I must do something to support him. You are like family. Do you know what? I will give you 30,000 naira.
That again?
30,000 naira.
Hey, Gambrus.
It's my friend. No, thank you. Stand up. It's my friend. Even if I work and make up to 100,000, I will call you and still give it to you. 200,000, I will give it to you.
Thank you.
Don't worry. 1, 2, 3. This is 3,000 naira. Take it for your transport. Just for transport,
All these ones for transport.
Just for transport, It's not among the 30,000 I will give you. Transport. So what you do now is to take it home. I will give you my phone number. Once you get home this evening or possibly tomorrow morning, you call me. I will direct you to my house. Then I will give you the 30,000 naira.
God bless you. You're a good man.
I'm like your family now.
Thank you, sir.
Family. So use this one, Hope you're fine. He's my brother, he's my friend. Just call me.
Gambrus, we borrow some madam. He's such a nice person. We need to about 3,000 naira. Can we make transport? Now, but transport 3,000 naira. My yala. This money will be enough for us to feed this night and tomorrow. I'll branch in my mother-in-law's shop now and buy food stuff. see is but any man and name. Ogam Bruce, Chikugozie.
Why is life treating me like this? All my sweat, all my struggles.
How are you feeling?
Nem, I don't know what is happening to me. The pain is increasing every minute. Now for one more be.
Why did you tie wet clothes on it?
I'm feeling hot inside. So I wanted to see if the wet clothes can help cool it. Come on, my cool ni.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Hey. Do you see the man?
Mama, I saw him. Okay, where will some mad? Where will some mad?
Is you?
Hey! Ogam Bruce is a very nice person.
Hey.
He gave me lots of surprises.
When
I was about to go, he brought out 3,000 naira and gave to me. That I should use it for my transport. Nene si when they use the 3,000 naira for transport. Alan happen when we are hungry.
Hey!
I branched at my mother-in-law's shop and bought all this food stuff you're seeing here.
You go, Ibo.
So we have food.
You went to her shop. You went to the shop here.
And forget so we have food to this night and tomorrow.
God, I thank you. God, I thank you.
He also promised to give me a huge amount of money, which na mama follow ya forever. When they get let's go inside. So I will tell you everything.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Go and wash that bathroom before I vent my anger.
Okay, what is your problem? Eh? Why are you pushing my daughter like that?
Tell your daughter to go and wash the bathroom.
So that's the last person that use her bathroom this time.
Mama, don't mind.
Your problem?
Don't mind him.
You are doing all this and you enter my room without nothing.
Ojada Atuzigi, if okay, I will shock you. If okay,
I come here.
I'm not the one that messed the bathroom up. You have to only pick up the bathroom.
Look at the mess up. Mess it up.
Wiki make sure.
Come on, Wiki.
Don't tell my mother to shut up. When I'm on the channel.
Go and wash that bathroom.
I couldn't hear.
One.
I'm not going
anywhere. Go and wash that bathroom.
I'm not going anywhere. I come here. I come here.
Bonala, go and wash that bathroom.
I come here. Okay. Why you hit my daughter like that? Go solve this time. Go on now, Bania. I'll wash you this time.
You slapped me.
When I make it this,
and I will slap you again if you don't go in there and wash that bathroom.
Who is that for Bikon?
I come here. You will kill me.
Don't touch my daughter again, no. Don't touch my daughter again.
Hey, you will kill me. Someone is about to die. If you want to go, if you want to go,
leave
you'll kill me this night.
You ain't got piano smackdown.
You'll kill me.
You got piano Monday night.
You'll kill me.
Oh, bye.
Yes, hello, Ogam Bruce. I'm at the junction. Okay, I should wait for you here. Okay, I'm waiting.
You're welcome to my house.
Your house is very fine.
Managing the way I am, okay? Yeah. Well, so, what will I offer you?
Nothing, I'm fine. Nothing at all.
Osinachi, this is the first time you're coming to my house. You don't tell me you don't want anything. I'm a very good cook. If I make indomie for you, you'll be surprised.
Okay, maybe a cup of water will do.
Just water?
Yes.
Should I add small... Osinachi. Okay, just water. Alright, this is water. Very cheap.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I am Tokunadu. In my workshop, they call me Tokunadu. So this is the 30,000 naira I promised you. 30,000 naira. Cash.
Thank you so
much. I am Tokunadu.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chiri. I will give you. What I do? So let's one after the other. 30,000 naira. Let me tell you something. Osinachi, do you know you're the most beautiful woman on earth? Ever since you came to my workshop, I couldn't concentrate. I've been thinking about you. Even last night, I couldn't sleep. So I will give you this money on one condition. And that condition is, if you allow me, let's just do this thing, eh? Just allow me to touch you. You're a very fine girl. You're very beautiful, okay? You're very beautiful. Osinachi, you're in my house, oh. You're in my house. I know everywhere in this house. Osinachi, you're a very beautiful girl. You're a very beautiful woman. I will give you I can even double this money if you want. Let's just do this thing.
Bruce, what are you doing?
I am not doing anything. What I am doing is what you're saying.
Leave me alone. What is it?
Osinachi, listen. Am I not a fine boy? I'm a very fine boy. See my lips, pink lips. Just accept this, eh? Let's just do this and I will give you the money.
Bruce, what are you doing? What are you trying to do? Why are you doing this to the man that you told me how my husband helped you in the past? Is this how you plan to pay him back? Bruce, please.
That is the more reason I want to pay back what you've done for me. Listen, I will give you more money if you want. Eh? Your husband is my friend, quite alright. But this time you need my attention more. Listen, let me just give you this money and let's just do this thing. Eh? It's very easy.
Leave me alone, don't touch me! What kind of human being are you? How can you do this to a man that calls you his best friend? You want to sleep with your best friend's wife? How dare you? Why are you so wicked?
Don't. I am not wicked. I am not wicked. And you don't come to my house to insult me. Are you hearing me? This is an option. If you choose it, fine for you. And if you don't, then leave my house. Okay? This is the money. If you want it, then let's do it. Your husband will not know. Will you tell him? No, I will not tell him. I don't even know where he is right now. So let's go to my room and let's enjoy ourselves. And after that, you take your money and go peacefully. Everybody is okay.
Bruce, please. You are my last hope. You gave me hope and now you are disappointing me. Biko, no, you don't want. Do you want my husband to rot in jail? Please, I'm on my knees. Biko,
no need. I am on my knees too. Eh? You are also my last hope. Just accept this. Let's just do this thing. Eh? And then you have your money. It's as simple as that. Eh? Yeah, let's go. You're a very beautiful girl. Just go inside and do this thing.
Osinachi. When did you come back? Or didn't you go again? Talk to me now. You don't kuzioku. Eh?
Hey!
Mbano, you can't do this outside here. What is it? Outside here. What happened? Eh? It's okay. Get up. Let's go inside. What is it? Didn't you see the man? Oh yeah, get up. Let's go inside. Didn't you see? It's okay now. Who's gonna?
People can be very wicked. Some Bruce has the mind to treat me like this after all I did for him. It's alright.
I have decided to go straight to the lawyer from here. I will explain everything to him.
How are you sure he's not going to behave like I'm Bruce?
I don't know. But there's no harm in trying. Like I said, I will explain everything to him.
I'm so sorry for the inconveniences.
It's not your fault. And I promise to stand by you till the end.
Thank you very much. God will bless you.
God will bless us. So, Mama, I went to see the barrister straight from the police station.
Okay. Did you see him?
I didn't see him immediately I got to his office, so I waited for him to come back.
Okay.
So, I told him everything without mixing words. Luckily for us, Mama, he offered to help us.
Eh? Do you mean he did not demand for anything? Nothing at all?
Nothing!
Hey!
Nothing. Mama Kangwaziri, he said he's interested in the case because he knew that my husband is innocent. That in fact, we should not pay him anything.
Oh!
Yes, we should not worry about his payment.
Thank you. Thank you, Father. Thank you, my God. Isigini. Hey! Chineke na aza me ekpele. Ọ na-anụ akwa m. Chukwu m na-anụ akwa m.
Hey, Mama Korolunge. That idiot, Anofian, started calling me on the phone again.
Who?
I'm Bruce. The one that calls himself my husband's best friend.
What was he calling you again?
Mom, I didn't even pick his call.
I pick when I call him. God will put that man to shame. If only anya kwaya ni iru ebe anwa. Nenu ka ọ dị ka ihe eji chụọ aja. Ịkwọ na anya o.
Ọchụ nwunye mmadụ.
Na kwakwara na phone ọzọ biko. Hey! Mana Chineke adịkwa egwu.
We are indeed serving a living God.
As we prayed.
Hey!
Dịkwa ka o si emela anyị ife. Barrister Wesna, he doesn't want to collect anything.
No payment.
Hey! Chineke mo. Who said I will not worship you? I promise to worship you all the days of my life. I will never cease to serve you.
What kind of trouble is this? So this woman cannot take her rotten body to her house so we can stay in peace.
Somebody will die in this house. Why must we be suffering because of one person's sin in this house? To fear quoi?
Jehovah. Oh, Jehovah. Yes, Zoputam. Yes, Zoputam. Oh.
My children, I call you here to find out why your in-laws are still here.
I don't understand, Mama.
Omugo visit supposed to last for 1 month and not more than that. I don't know why they are still here, causing trouble every now and then.
Mama, can you tell me where it is stated in Igbo tradition that Omugo visit should last for 1 month?
In all Igbo land, it is familiar that one should last for 1 month. Omugo should last for 1 month and not 2 months. They have overstayed their welcome. What are they still doing here? Causing trouble everywhere. Fighting and quarrels every day. It's because that you people don't stay at home. If you do, you would have find out what I'm saying. It is me that is suffering it. They should go, please.
See, Mama, I have the right to tell my in-law to stay as long as she wants. What's all this now? At first, you never wanted them to come at all. Now you are pushing that they should go. Mama, see, I don't understand you anymore. I don't understand you.
Omugo visit is 1 month. You can tell her to come and live with you till eternity when you have your own house. But this is my husband's house. I am the landlady of this house. They should go. Let them go. They are troublemakers.
Nah, Mama, see. If I had known that this is the reason you call this meeting, why would I come for it in the first place? Nah, Biko, I show them that bad energy now.
Just look at you painted your hands with.
See, Mama, forget that thing. If anyone should leave this house, it should be Osinachi's mother. She should go before she infects all of us with her rotten legs. What's all this now? You sure, man? I'm out of here.
Who can they will not go alone? All of them should go. Look at my papa. Look at the Ako Ibo coconut. Everything. Bakam. I mean, every morning, Hakuaya, 1 million. The Onubo, everything. What is all this for? Ejibishi kolu gonna be kono.
God, what is happening to me? My husband is facing trial over a case he knew nothing about. Now my mother is down with sickness. Someone must have poisoned her. To make the matter worse, we have nothing left in this house.
Mama, you called me. Hey, I called you. What's not? Please take your mother to her house. from her legs is becoming unbearable.
Mama, please, I'm sorry.
You see, sorry. Take her to her house. Honestly, I cannot bear it anymore. It is too much. Are you not perceiving it?
Mama, I cannot take my mother to the house because there's no one there to take care of her.
Does it concern me that no one is there? Take her to her house and let her relax there. I did not call you here to come and argue with me.
Mama, like I said, there's no one in the house to take care of my mother. This is my mother we're talking about here. You are saying this thing as if you are mocking us. If my husband were to be here, you're gonna go there. Will you be saying this thing you're saying? It's not nice.
I am talking and you're talking. Who are you? Even if your husband is here, I will say what I want to say. This is my house and not your husband's house. Take your mother to her house. Let her get out from here. What is all this for? And may she
Mama, you slapped me.
I will do that again, no? If you talk stupid girl. Also my mother.
What are you still waiting for?
For what?
Obi, it's about what we discussed last night regarding Osinachi's mother. Go and tell her to leave now.
Yes, you are the man of the house now. So Osinachi cannot keep her dangerous and smelly mother with that terrible odor here. Our lives are at stake. Biko.
Yes, Obi, go and tell them to leave. And she's outside there, smelling heavily.
Is she there now?
Yes.
Exactly.
She's there now?
Yes.
But the thing is that I don't like seeing that woman. That woman is very disgusting.
But this is the best time to give the message.
You think so?
Exactly, Biko. Just go. Jaguafa.
Yes, Obi, Biko, no. Just go.
You see? Ego Yibo slapped you?
Hi! Mama, I have had enough from that woman. If she thinks she can maltreat me simply because my husband is not around, then I will not take it from her. I will not.
My daughter, please. I would not advise you to quarrel with anybody in this house because of me. If your mother-in-law wants me to leave, I will leave. I will leave.
Mba. Mama, you are not going anywhere. You are in my husband's house. You will not go anywhere. I equally have rights here. You are not going.
My daughter. In fact, I want to go.
Mama, I say.
I want to go.
I am your daughter. And you are in my house. You are not going anywhere. You will be here. You will not go anywhere.
I will go. I want to go.
They think they can toss me around, do anything they want to do because my husband is not around. I will not take it from any of them. I will not take it.
Osinachi and Co. The mother. You see, I'm here to warn you. What are your plans in this house? Are you trying to kill all of us and take over my father's properties? Is that your plan?
Akwamia, please stop now. Stop. Go straight and give her the message. Deliver the message for which we came here.
Okay, listen and listen attentively. I am giving you 2 days to carry your miserable and smelling mother out of this house. Are we going to die?
Biko, 2 days is too much. We will die before that time. 1 day is enough.
You heard my wife. You heard her clearly. 1 day is enough. So I am giving you from today and tomorrow. Biko. Carry your mother and get out of this house. Let's have fresh air.
I'm in my husband's house. I'm not a slave here.
Wait. Are you trying to challenge me?
You can call it whatever you want. I don't care.
You want me to shock you? You want to challenge me? You're not going anywhere. Okay. I am giving you from now till tomorrow.
Exactly.
Disobey me, you will know who is the man of this house. You will know that I'm the man of this house. Today and tomorrow. That's what I'm giving you.
If easy. Easy.
You will not kill us in this house.
Exactly.
Look at this one. You say you are talking. Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Look at this is the mutual call on Charlie never. They think because my husband is not around, they can do anything.
It's okay.
Do anything they want to.
Nachi, Nachi, come and take me home. I want to go.
Mama, like I said before, you're not going anywhere.
Hey.
On when I be in Aga, you will stay here. I will take care of you.
Oh, this is too much. I want to leave this place now. Come and take me out of here. I want to leave. Oh, Nachi, why are you doing this to me? Come and take me out of here.
Kwame has beaten more than he can chew. Let him pray I did not come out from here.
I have decided to take my mother home.
Who is going to take care of her? There is nobody at home.
I will stay there with her. I will take very good care of her. I called my uncle. He said we should come back, that there's a herbalist that can cure her.
My dear, how have you been managing?
Nah, let's not go there. Let's not go there.
Madam, your time is up. I can move.
You've said it, we've heard it. I am Ugie. My dear, come and start going, okay? Go.
Please stop wasting time.
If you're here now, you might behave like this. If you're married, you won't be behaving like this.
Let's go.
Akumo.
Who can me?
Hey.
Who did this to you?
Now you then now. Amanokwam. I don't know.
This is evil.
Hey.
Hi.
Uncle, you're welcome.
Osinachi, why didn't you bring your mother home early enough? Eh? Don't you know that this is a very serious case not to have kept mute?
Uncle, I didn't know it would get this worse. And the person treating her assured me that she will be well.
This is too bad. Whoever this is very wicked. Eh?
Uncle, how is your wife and children?
They are fine. Please, let me go and fetch that man I told you about, so that he will start commencing treatment immediately. If I believe in a church, stay calm.
Just stay calm. Dalo, God will bless you. Hey, Osinachi, Nem, you will go to my yam farm at Ogbo Waka to harvest those yam, so that termites will not eat them up. Biko.
Okay, Mama, but that will be tomorrow. Those Terikano, let me clean. Yes.
Echiakam. Guano. Hey. Hey.
Nem, have you heard anything about his owner?
Mama,
I overheard Osinachi 5 days ago telling the mother that the case is getting serious. Mama, the court is not happy with Izuna.
Why?
Because he has refused to mention the names of those people that he went the robbery with.
Are you sure he's going to come out of this alive?
Mama, I'm afraid though.
Hey!
I don't think he will survive it.
What?
And the way I'm seeing it, I don't think Osinachi will come back here again.
What?
You cannot intimidate me, sir. You better here.
Shut up!
You can't do it.
Get out!
Let me tell you.
Leave my house!
You are very wicked.
You are the one that
You are very, very wicked.
What is all this for?
You are a very wicked
You are a wicked woman.
Hey,
You are the one to leave my house. You are the one that is wicked. Get out. You have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house and go. Your local visit is over.
You can never leave. You can never chase me from my daughter's house. You might try here.
Leave my house and go. It's my husband's house. Go to your house. Can we see the problem as on a begging?
This is his father's house, and as a son, he is entitled to his father's property.
Says who?
And I'm going to remain here until all my missions are accomplished.
It is your mission?
Yes.
Accomplished?
Very
in my own house? It's not possible.
It's one.
Shut up! Who are you? Not when my God is alive. You will not.
I will stay in your house.
You cannot.
You can't do anything.
You have no right. I'll just smash you down. You have no authority over my house. Pack your load and leave. Leave my house. You overstayed your welcome. Leave your house. You and your colleagues. I am tired. I'm sick and tired of your troubles. Pack your things and go.
I hope you are not talking about me.
Shut up! Shut up! Both of you should go. Hold it there. Shut up. Say enough of all this rubbish. Stop that rubbish. Mothers like daughters. Useless people. Now leave my house.
Keep quiet. Her anger is that she has failed in her mission to stop us from coming for our daughter's Omugo.
I will just carry you. Who are you? Shut up! Who are you? You will leave my house. Both of you. House. Useless rubbish. We can
no begging. Hey!
Get up and take your medicine.
Snachi, I am dying. I am dying, oh! I'm dying.
That is because you have refused to take your medicine for 2 days now.
I have not seen any improvement since I started taking the man's medicine. Then assured me that the medicine is very effective, but it is not so.
But you're not doing yourself any good by not taking this medicine. In fact, you're making the matter worse. It was a rap on Mama. Do you want to die and leave me?
Gee, is it not better I'm dead? I'm suffering too much. I can no longer bear it anymore. I'm tired.
Mama Kusidoku, I don't like it. Stop saying something like that. You want to die and leave me alone in this world. Mama, I don't like it though. I don't like it. I don't like it, Mama.
Sorry, my daughter. I wish you will understand how I feel inside. I am feeling hot everywhere. Okumnina na chamoko. Ochalmo obia no obimu. Obimnina na chamoko. Hey, I wish you would understand me.
I understand.
Okumnina na chamoko.
I understand.
Obimnina na chamoko.
Please, I understand. Just take the medicine. Everything will be alright soon. Onem. Why, Oma? Nemo, Bikon, do it for me. Oh, everything will be fine. Fine soon. Oh, Biko, oh, sorry. Manage. Oh. Do it because of me. do it because of me, please. Hey. Oh? Sorry. Do it because of me. Oh?
Hey!
Please.
Hey!
It's okay. Do it because of me. Do it because of me. Oh? Forget about this. More the medicine. Please. Because Onny, please.
Dalu, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Mama, I want to go to the market tomorrow to sell some of the yams I've harvested so far.
Okay, it's all right. I like the idea.
I also want to tell you that I want to use some of the money I'll realize from the sale of the yams to start something small business. It will help us a lot.
Oh, Nwamo, amukwano mwa, amulo mwa ebe no. Oh, you know what? Any money you realize from selling those yams, use it to start any business of your choice.
Thank you, Mama.
I support you on that. You know?
Thank you, Mama.
Oh,
thank you. I'll take Chisimdi to my uncle's house tomorrow so that his children will take care of him.
It's all right. There's no problem about that. Oh, Nwamo.
Hope you're enjoying your pap. Should I get more for you?
This one is okay for now. Okay. How about my grandchild? Has he slept?
Yes, he's sleeping. God, I thank you for the life of my mother. Please do not allow anything to happen to her.
have I done to these people? Before you know it, this water will finish. Where will I run to? Eh? Honestly, these people have overstayed their welcome. Eh? Just imagine. And I come with the Chineke never come on.
When Satan comes, it seems as the world has ended. When Satan comes, Odimgbe is separate.
A plate is 250.
Madam, I don't have 250, but just put one in after me.
Which means it's 1 meat.
No problem. Madam, ask more.
This is my food, eh? Elisia Biozo.
Put better meat for me, I beg.
Don't bite your fingers. Okay, if any man has so Walen.
I will spoon now.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, bye-bye.
Tell other people that have come. Oh, you're right, Sabiago. Ilisita Biaka. I'm here. Rice ụsọ gị n'ebe a. Rice ụsọ. This tank. Azuka.
Are you sure it's not my mother-in-law that locked this tank?
Your guess is as good as my own.
She's not around.
That means she has left the shop.
And she must have taken the key to the shop.
Exactly.
Why is my mother-in-law this wicked?
Wicked is understatement. She's a witch. If you're one young, I'm also.
Don't worry, Mama. If my husband comes back, I'll tell him.
No problem.
Mama, see, I'm here to collect the key to the tank you locked this morning.
Which key? Which tank?
Mama, why are you wicked now? No, tell me, why are you wicked? Why did you lock the tank?
You are a useless son who cannot take care of his mother. Oh. I locked it because it is my tank and not yours.
Oh, is that your anger? Is that your anger? Your plan was to render us useless. That is why you never wanted us to marry.
You are useless already. Eh? You are a useless boy. In the daytime, you don't have anything doing. Not to go to a farmland or look for a job for yourself.
If okay, Mama, if okay, you can name that kid now. You must give me the key to that tank.
Come and take it. By force.
It is not possible. Or you come and sell anything in this shop. Let me see.
Okay, sit down here.
No customer will buy anything.
You cannot do anything.
Cannot give it. Come and sell markets. No, you don't want to give me the key. Now. If you know what is good for you now, give me the key to that tank. Let me go.
Okay, useless boy.
Come and sell. Let me see. Give me the key to the tank.
You can't do anything.
Give me the key to the tank.
Dead rat already.
Okay.
Mama.
I want to buy. You want to buy key, you dear? Yeah? Get out of here. Get out of here. Come
here.
Come
on, leave that boy. Are you stupid?
Am I stupid? Mama, give me the key to the tank.
I will not give you.
Give me the key to the tank.
I will call vigilante for you.
You want to call vigilante?
Of course, I will call them for you.
You don't have their number. Let me give you their number.
I know you have their number because you have Boroke. I know you. I'm not going to handle it. This time around,
give me the key.
I will not do it. Do your work. Stupid boy. Oh, Yorio. Come and see Akwamia. And I'm robber.
Come and see.
Come and see.
Come to my aid, my son, come out, Jima, come out. Well, up when he went, well, up when he went, well, him
The lawyer assured me that all is well the last time I spoke with him. God, please, help me. Help my husband. You know he's innocent. Please, God. Please, God.
Come to my aid, my son, come out, Jima, come out. Well, up when he went, well, up when he went, well, him
My goodness. What is this?
I just don't know. I just saw it like this. The other day, actually, by the baby, it's in a bomb. All of a sudden, I will know what I see. I don't know what is going on.
Hello, my grandson.
This is the same thing that my mother is suffering from.
Okay.
Who is doing this to us? Hey.
Makwajacheza atamka arthritis ko tabuonde beha. Hey. My daughter, how about my grandson?
He's fine.
How about my son and the court case?
The case is still going on. The final judgment was supposed to be today, but court did not sit.
Hey!
So they shifted it till next week, Thursday.
Hey!
I came to collect one document.
Oh, no. God, where are you? Where are you? Please, when you see him, Tell him that I'm asking for his forgiveness. That he should forgive me and forget everything that happened in the past. Oh? Hey!
I'll still come and see you before I leave.
It is well, oh ma'am. I should not 20 naira wage a good thing home. So there, hey!
I thought I left it here. I thought I left my purse here.
Hey, I don't think so. Remember you told us that two boys were passing by when you came to give us our balance?
Yes, I said so.
They must have taken your purse that time you came back to give us our balance. Besides, we don't even know them. Do you know them?
But my dear, you have to be careful next time. You shouldn't have left your purse inside the barrel.
You don't have to blame me, my brother. I was in a hurry so I can go back to my baby. Do you know that they took everything? They took all the money I made today.
You mean they took all the money?
Everything. They didn't even leave 1 naira for me. They took everything. Why is this world wicked again? Why is this world wicked?
So sorry. But you have to be careful in case of next time. I wish I have something on me. I would have at least tried to do small something. Sorry, eh?
Why am I suffering like this? Problems everywhere I go. We wouldn't have eaten anything this night if not that I have some leftover in my cooler. I have no hope of cooking anything tomorrow because I have no money left in the house. My mother's medicine have finished and I'm supposed to pay the man for another one. Hey, Chineke, what is happening? What is this? What will I do?
So they took all the money you made yesterday?
Uncle, everything. They didn't even leave 1 naira for me. This world is very wicked.
You see, you need a purse you'll be tying around your waist. Eh? That is what other women who are into this mama put business do. Eh?
Uncle, it was all my fault. You see, before you came, I was about coming to your house to see you. I used all the money I saved to buy a bag of rice and other ingredients to start that mama put business. And now they've stolen everything. So Uncle, please, I want to plead with you. Help me with some money. Obugo do another business, let me start. Just small money. I will pay you back. If I will pay you back.
Osinachi, how much do you need? Eh? Tell me.
3,000 naira.
3,000. Let me get home. I will send my son. Emeka bia, konye get 3,000. Mana ke bado anya, bosi ozo ike po sa nuku.
The evil that men do lives with them. Hey. Look at what you just brought upon yourself. Because of your wickedness. To fear what? Thank God I'm not a man. Osulerele. Osiwom. Hey, it's time for me to start thinking of going back to my house before I die here. Don't go. Stay. Hi, ego Igbo. Ego Igbo. Hi.
Daddy, here is a coconut. Baby, this coconut is very sweet. Are you alright?
Where's Mama? I've not seen her for a long time now. Where has she been?
You mean my own mom?
Where is my mother?
Yeah.
Where is she?
Are you alright? Daddy, are you okay?
I'm asking you if you've seen my mother. You're asking me if I'm alright. Are you with your senses? Nonsense!
Chibuna shouting on me. What has come over him? Hey. Chibuna. Mama.
Muabu Sinachi. Secret affairs with your husband. What does that mean?
I did not expect you to admit it. In other words, I already knew that you are sleeping with my husband. Osinachi, leave my husband for me, oh. Leave my husband for me, Osinachi.
Okay, stop around and say I don't want to see my father's house, poor. What is your problem? Eh? Who told you that I'm dating your husband? Who said that rubbish?
You cannot deny it. My husband nearly beat me up because of you. Osinachi,